Problems about buying tickets. The admission to a movie theater is $4 for non-seniors. And because of discount, seniors is only $3 for senior citizens. If receipts for the movie advertised were $720 for an audience of 190 people, how many senior citizens attended? Since we are only asked for the senior citizens, it doesn't mean that we only have one variable. Remember, there are two groups of people there, senior citizens and the non-seniors. So what we want to know, the number of senior citizens attended. But we cannot find this unless we represent the other group, the non-senior citizens. So in this case, what we want to represent would be the number of senior citizens and the non-senior citizens. So let's say X is number of non-seniors. How about Y? This is the number of seniors or senior citizens. Might be referring, we might be referring that to senior high school now, as senior citizens. So Y is the number of senior citizens. And let us find the equation. First, we need to come up with a system of linear equations into variables. So the first equation is based on the total number of audience. How many audience? 190. And that comprises of two groups, the senior citizens group and the non-senior citizens group. I'm part of the non-senior citizens. Soon I will be, few years from now. So we are from the non-senior citizens group, right? So since there are 190 people, and we represented X and Y as the number of non-senior citizens and senior citizens, that means that our first equation is X plus Y equals 190. Okay. But how much ticket were sold? It's worth $720 in all. So this would be the total receipts, which means the total sales of the movie is $720. And this comes from the $4 of the non-seniors and $3 from the senior citizens. And what equation can we get from that? It will be 4x, right? $4 for each non-seniors plus $3 for each seniors, which is y. So that's plus 3y equals the total sales for both groups who watched the movie is $720. All right. So that's our equation. Again, with this type of equations, we can solve this by the addition method. So let us solve this system by the addition method. Is our equation number 1, equation number 2. Now it's up to us which what variable we need to eliminate first. Shall we eliminate x? Okay, let's eliminate x. But what will I multiply to x so I can eliminate x? This is 4x. I can eliminate x if this becomes negative 4x. So what shall I multiply? It's negative 4. So I multiply everything by negative 4. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x, negative 4 times y, negative 4y, negative 4 times 19. That's 19 times 4, 700. 60. All right. Yes, it's 760. Negative, right? It's negative 760. But this one, there's no change. We simply copy that. It's just 4x plus 3y equals 720. And we eliminate x by addition. That's why sometimes it's also called addition method. Well, negative 4x plus 4y, 4x, I should say, it's 0. And negative 4y plus 3y is negative y. And negative 760 plus 720 is negative 40. We divide both sides by negative 1. Y is equal to 40. What are these? 40 senior citizens or non-senior citizens? Senior citizens. Are we done? Did we answer the question? How many senior citizens attended? 40. Just in case you want to know how many non-senior citizens attended, you simply subtract, right? 190 by 40. All right, so our answer here, there are 40 senior citizens attended. Citizens. Well, just in case we want to know how many non-senior citizens attended, what will you do? Just subtract. Right? We can make use of x plus y equals 190. So if there were 190 people who are attended, and there are 40 senior citizens attended, how many are non-seniors? 190 minus 40, 150 non-seniors. All right, and we can solve that from equation number 1, x plus y equals 190, but we don't need to since we are only asked to find for the number of senior citizens who attended, and we are done.